Alright, what's cracking, you guys? We're back, new video, new day, and we've already gotten started. I've already started spraying the mirror caps that I had sanded. I didn't record it because I did it on my bed, but we got a little head start. So he already started spraying those. He's cleaning the other one so he can spray that one. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and sand the bumper pad. I'm gonna paint it. I wasn't sure about it, but the grill is painted, and since it's already painted, we're gonna redo the grill. And then right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little time lapse of me sanding the bumper. What's supposed to be chrome. I'll go ahead and sand that down, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little time lapse. My boy Jimmy's the one helping me today. I'm gonna go ahead and tag his Instagram down below. If you guys need any car needs, hit up my boy. What was it? You changed it again.
Yeah, it did.
Auto Aesthetics?
Yeah. Mobile Auto Aesthetics Direct.
Mobile Auto Aesthetics Direct. M.A.A.D. M.A.A.D. Hit up my boy Jim if you need anything done. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick little time lapse, and then I'll pick up the camera and explain what's going on and what we're doing next. Vámonos. Alright, so we just sanded it down with the 80 grit. I didn't have 150 or 180, I mean, still waiting on it, but we covered the whole bumper. We got not all the way down to the metal, but we scratched it up pretty good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and smoothen it out with the 320 grit. Smooth it out, then we'll go ahead and clean it, and then we'll apply the etching primer, and then primer and the paint. This one should be quick too, so we'll go from there. Vámonos. Look at Jim go. Bam. So we already finished the front bumper. We decided we weren't gonna do the pad. We're gonna leave it as is because the back bump, the plastic parts won't be painted yet. I won't color match it all, but since the grill is already painted, we're gonna go ahead and take this off, scruff it a little bit, and give it a nice little touch up so it can be all fresh up front. And then I'll go ahead and come sand those, paint it, take off all the rust, and then we should be done by today. And then we'll put it together some other day. Let's go ahead and take off the grill, and then I'll turn on the camera once I start sanding it again. I'm gonna So we took it apart. Okay, so we decided we're gonna paint the outline back to black since it's originally black until we're ready to do it the right way. Well, we're kind of doing it the right way, but until then, that's gonna be black since we're leaving the bumper pad black. Now we can all be color matched, or color matching at least somewhat, in a way. But let me sand this real quick so we can give it a little touch up, and then I'm gonna tape this so we can touch it up as well.
The next day.
All right, what's cracking, you guys? Next day, as you guys seen the previous clip, we left off, my boy was actually painting the bumper and the grill chrome piece that goes in the middle. We got this black piece that came out pretty good, actually. We didn't sand it, we didn't do anything. I mean, they had already painted over it, so we just continued it. We checked all these other parts. They're okay, but I think I'm just gonna give it one more pass, and then I need to do one more pass on that chrome piece to kind of like finish it off, and then I'll let it dry and I'll put it back together a little later today. And then I need to go to the truck, take off a couple things because we're still gonna do the rear bumper white. So I'm gonna leave it ready for my boy Jimmy when he comes back. And then I kind of want to paint where we welded. I moved the bumper down because my other boy didn't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick, take this up real quick, give you guys a little quick time lapse of me doing that, or I'll give you a montage, either or, and then we'll go from there. All right, vámonos. All right, bam, we're back, new day. We're picking up the video. As you guys seen in the last clip, I was finishing painting these right here, these bumper pieces. Well, this one, I kind of gave it a little touch up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit, but I mean, it's all right. It's not the best, but it's okay. So this one, I'm gonna go ahead and dry it up, start putting it together. And then this is the grill piece that I was painting, giving it another little touch up. But my boy Jimmy is actually on his way. He's gonna help me finish the back bumper, and then we're gonna start putting everything on the truck. We're gonna start putting it together finally. So we'll go ahead and get that done. These are the fog lights and all the clips. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on putting on every single clip on it, so I can put on the bottom valance and then put on the fog lights and then go from there. Vámonos. My boy Jimmy's back, day 2. We're gonna get it done. As you guys seen, I already put together the bumper, the grill. We'll install that once this is painted, and then we'll go from there. But he's already got it done. He already took the whole bumper apart. He already sanded most of the chrome. What'd you hit it with, a 320?
Yeah, 320.
My boy hit it with the 320. Coming out pretty good. So all we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and mask it so the tail lights don't get oversprayed. Mask that area that we don't want it paint to get on, and then we'll go ahead and apply etching primer, and then we'll go from there. But that's the little process. That's what it takes to get that nice and painted. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little time lapse of the masking, the prepping, and then him spraying it, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the front and put on the front bumper. Vámonos. That's right, Jimmy. Mobile Auto Aesthetics. All right, you guys, bam, we're done. We've color matched the truck. We did the front bumper. We resprayed the grill. It's not the best. I'm telling you that right now. It was just a quick one-day paint job. Rattle spray cans. It is what it is. I just wanted it to look different. You know what I mean? Until I get ready to really either color match it completely or change the color. One or the other is going to happen first, but as of right now, I just wanted to look a little bit different since we had already dropped it. And then we did the rear bumper. Shout out my boy Jimmy for coming through. He's the one that helped me, you know, along with my brother. He lended a hand too. But all we got to do now is just the turn signals, the side mirrors. They're still chrome, but I am going to go pick some up. I thought I had some power folding mirrors, but they're not power folding. Or so I'm thinking, right? Because the black plug is supposed to have 10 wires pinned into it, and the ones I have only have 5. So I'm going to go ahead and check to just make sure they're not power folding mirrors, and I'm gonna buy a double set. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and then also we're gonna end up doing the sunroof. So I gotta check to make sure the one I have, the OEM SS sunroof, works. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna check right now to make sure I can pull it out. It doesn't scrape a lot down in the front, and then we'll go from there. I'll give you guys a quick little montage either at the gas station to reveal it, or we'll see. We'll give you some rollers. Let's check to see if it's even gonna scrape or not. All right, vámonos. Así, straight way. Dale. You're turning this way.
Go right,
go straight.
Go right, go right.
Dale. Eh? Yeah, dale.
Like you're going to the side.
Tú dale, güey. Straighten out the... Ajá, sí, dale, tú dale.
Turn right a little bit. Go right.
Así estás bien, dale.
Go, go, go.
Hold on. Me... Eh?
Good? What? You're good away.
Okay, dale. Turn it this way. Turn it all the way. A ver, hold on, wait. No, the other way. My bad. The other way. All the way. Dale. Straighten it out a little bit.
Straight. It's a little.
Oh, okay. It's possible. Man, that was close. Dale para allá y luego back up.
Let's see.
It looks cool, huh? Damn, that was close. That was a real close one.
See that way.
Montage.